In the small village of Willowbrook, nestled amidst towering mountains and lush green fields, a group of children played together, oblivious to the world beyond their peaceful haven. Among them was a young girl named Lily, known for her curious nature and unwavering spirit. As Lily grew older, whispers of an impending conflict reached the village. The neighboring kingdom, Hemlock, sought to expand its territory, fueling tensions and fears of war. The once tranquil atmosphere of Willowbrook became tinged with anxiety, as the villagers grappled with the uncertainty that loomed over their lives. Lily, driven by her insatiable curiosity, embarked on a quest to understand the reasons behind the impending war. She sought wisdom from the village elder, an aged man named Samuel, known for his vast knowledge and sage advice. "Samuel," Lily asked with a furrowed brow, "what are we fighting for? What is worth the pain and suffering of war?" Samuel paused, his eyes gazing into the distance as memories of his own experiences in battle flooded his mind. After a moment of reflection, he began to share a tale that had been passed down through generations. "Long ago," Samuel began, "there was a kingdom known as Evergreen. It was a land blessed with abundance and prosperity. But its ruler, King Alistair, was consumed by greed and ambition. He desired more power and wealth, and so he set out to conquer neighboring lands. The people of Evergreen believed they were fighting for their kingdom's greatness, blinded by their king's words. But in reality, they were fighting for nothing more than the selfish desires of one man." Lily's eyes widened with realization. She understood that wars were often fought for personal gain, driven by the ambitions of those in power. But she couldn't fathom the senseless destruction and loss of life that accompanied such conflicts. Determined to uncover the truth, Lily ventured beyond Willowbrook's borders. She visited the war-torn lands, witnessing firsthand the devastation and heartache inflicted upon innocent lives. She met refugees, families torn apart by the conflict, and soldiers burdened by the weight of their duty. Among them, she encountered a young Hemlock soldier named Ethan. He had been conscripted into the army against his will, forced to fight in a war he did not understand. Lily listened to his story of anguish and longing for peace, realizing that both sides of the conflict suffered from the same questions and doubts. Inspired by their shared desire for understanding, Lily and Ethan embarked on a mission to bridge the divide between their kingdoms. They rallied the voices of the people, organizing peaceful protests and advocating for open dialogue between the leaders. Their efforts caught the attention of wise leaders from both kingdoms who recognized the futility of the war. Lily and Ethan became emissaries of peace, working tirelessly to negotiate a truce and bring an end to the senseless bloodshed. Months passed, and the leaders of Evergreen and Hemlock finally agreed to a peace treaty. The war that had ravaged their lands for years came to an end. The people rejoiced, grateful for the brave souls who had fought not for power or conquest but for the simple notion of peace. Lily returned to Willowbrook, her heart filled with hope and a newfound understanding. She shared her experiences and the lessons she had learned, urging her fellow villagers to question the motives behind conflicts and seek peaceful resolutions. The village of Willowbrook became a beacon of harmony, known for its commitment to understanding and unity. Lily's quest for knowledge and her unwavering belief in the power of peace had transformed her and those around her. Years later, as an elder in the village, Lily imparted her wisdom to a new generation. She reminded them of the importance of questioning the reasons behind wars, of challenging the notion that violence could ever truly solve anything. And so, the legacy of Lily and her quest for understanding lived on, a reminder that wars should never be fought for selfish gain or empty ideals. The villagers of Willowbrook carried her message in their hearts, striving to create a world where peace prevailed and the value of life was treasured above all else.